Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have here MJ Perez and Coach Chuck De Los Santos of the Signal HC Strikers who won in straight sets against the Petrogas Angels. Coach, congratulations on this victory against your finals rematch in the reinforced conference. Anong masasabi mo sa naging performance ng team?
Again, sobrang thankful ako kay Lord kasi yung guidance na binigay na sa amin sa strength. And then, siyempre, sobrang proud sa team namin, especially sa our import. So, sobrang all out talaga siya kanina. And sobrang happy kasi grabe yung naging effort talaga ng team. Kasi sa 3 days namin preparation, good thing na lumabas talaga yung kung paano kami nagkaroon ng game plan. So, hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy pa. And for us talaga, hindi pa to enough para masabi namin okay na okay kami. Kasi like sinabi namin before, mas mahirap na yung game ng pahirap. So, mas kailangan namin mag-prepare talaga.
Thank you, Coach. And for MJ, currently Signal is at 4-0 in Pool B. So, how does it feel to just be able to get consecutive wins in the pool and inch closer to sweeping pool?
I'm very proud of my team because today we all work together as a team and everything goes well because we keep focus, and this week we really work for that. We were like very focused on our trainings and it shows in the game. So I'm very proud of my team.
Thank you, MJ. And for Jel, yun nga 4-0 yung Signal ngayon. Anong masasabi mo sa nagiging performance ng Signal ngayon na tuloy-tuloy yung mga panalo?
Masaya po syempre kasi ngayon na lang ulit kami nanalo ng tuloy-tuloy. And yun, talagang pagtatrabahuan pa namin lahat kasi medyo mahaba-haba pa tong liga na to. Yun, masaya.
Saya.
Masaya pero nakabagod.
Thank you, Jel. The floor is open for questions.
For Coach Angel, knowing na ito yung team na nakalaban niyo ng finals 2 years ago, may extra motivation ba na matalo sila in this game?
Definitely yes talaga yung namin kasi gusto talaga namin makabawi. Not only dito sa team na to, but dito mong conference na to, kailangan mag-perform talaga kami ng maayos, ng tama, hanggat maaari. And yan, paghihirapan talaga namin lahat ng pwede ba namin gawin hanggang dulo.
Chelsea,
Yes po, kasi alam naman natin Petrogas, solid talaga yung team nila, talagang pinaghandaan talaga, pinagtrabahoan talaga namin sa mga past trainings namin. And ayun, thankful kasi na-apply namin lahat ng inensayo namin kanina sa game.
For Coach Angel, gaano po kaiba na yung Signal team na to kumpara sa Signal team na kumarap sa Petrogas ng 2022?
Well, una, we have a very good import. To be honest talaga. And then, being, not only dun sa performance, being leader, being senior dun sa team, and guro yung mindset din namin talaga ngayon, na-level up din namin. And hopefully, ma-maintain or ma-improve pa rin namin to. And yeah, sobrang happy and proud kasi grabe yung trabaho talaga na binibigay or effort na binibigay ng buong team, both coaches and players. And even yung management, grabe yung support lagi sa amin. So, syempre, kailangan talaga namin i-improve every conference naman, laging may maganda kami natutunan, kung saan man kami makarating. So, hopefully, talagang ma-improve pa namin.
Ayun, same answer po. Kasi, mabait yung import namin, malakas talaga siya. Pero yun nga, sabi nga ni Coach Chuck na hindi naman pwede na iasa lang namin lahat sa import. Kaya kaming mga local talagang pinagtatrabahuan talaga namin para matulungan din namin siya.
And for MJ, how big of a deal is it for you that although you're leading the team in offense, you're not carrying that load alone? And in terms of the defense, in terms of the other spikers, they're all helping you in this 4-0 start to the conference.
Yes, this is what the team is. Like volleyball is a teamwork, and that's the, if we want results, of course we need to play all, and it feels good to have this confidence in the team, and they are individually very well. So this is good for the whole team.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Coach, Coach, gano'n ka proud sa team mo kasi yung straight sets, 6 na errors lang pala.
Seryoso ba?
Seryoso.
Nagulat yan ah.
Actually, nagulat din ako.
Only 6 errors.
Only 6 errors.
Well, again, ulitin ko lang yung sinabi ko kanina. Sobrang proud ako kasi yun talaga yung isa sa goal namin. Actually, every training, kasi kailangan maging quality talaga yung maging performance. Like, sinabi ko sa kanila past few days na hindi kailangan humaba yung training ng sobra dahil lang sa repetition ng errors natin. So, ang good thing na execute namin, na-apply namin today's game. And hopefully, ma-maintain namin yan kasi bihira sa amin yan. Actually, before talagang first set pa lang, may 6 errors na ata kami sa service pa lang. So ngayon, sobrang happy and proud sa buong team kasi grabe yung mindset and focus namin. And siguro mas titriplehin namin kung paano namin siya tinatrabaho sa training and then yung usap din namin. And hopefully, ma-maintain namin. Siyempre, hindi siya madali. And well, nagulat ako na 6 errors lang kami. So, yeah, congratulations sa amin. Kasi sobrang, ako, being a head coach ng team, sobrang happy ako sa ganyang performance. Kasi siyempre, yun yung isang gusto namin makita na galaw ng team or yung gano'n nila kontrolin yung errors. And thankful kasi pinasasaya talaga kami ng mga players namin sa lahat ng bagay. So, yun.
Yun ang pinakamababa mong error.
Parang ito ata. Kasi kanina nung first set nga, nakita ko one error lang kami. So, sabi ko, talaga ba? Parang...
Nagulat ka ba?
Oo. Pero, well, nakagulat. Pero, tinatrabaho din kasi naman. And pinaghihirapan. So, huli yung focus and mindset ng talaga namin, yung kailangan maibigay pa namin. So, yun. Go.
Can you just discuss yung connection mo with your spikers, especially with MJ?
Yun po.
Connection. Kulay, mga ano.
Ayun, okay. Patagal, okay naman po siya. And yun nga, lagi kong tinatanong din yung import nga namin, kung okay ba yung set. And siya sinasabi niya, open din naman siya sa akin yung ano yung gusto niya talaga. And yun, everyday naman namin tinatrabaho talaga yung connection pa namin. Kasi dadalhin pa kami sa malayo-layo pa yung aabutin namin.
For Coach, your next game will be against Akari. So far, pareho kayong unbeaten in Puli. So, how will this one help you guys coming into that match?
First, ang laking impact sa amin to. Sobrang magiging inspired kami dahil sa 4 wins namin. And I think for now, kailangan lang muna namin ma-enjoy yung panalo and mag-recover. And then, later panonorin din namin yung game. So, siyempre, yung performance ng Akari, kapag titingnan lang natin ang normal, parang sila, relax lang maglaro or what, pero pagdating ng dulo, 2 game sila na reverse sweep, so hindi madaling gawin yun. So kailangan paghandaan din talaga namin, yung pag-aralan lahat ng kaya nilang gawin, and of course yung maximize din yung strength ng team namin.
Thank you, Coach.
Excited!